Hi all, welcome back to another update on the jet bike. Not showing you my face this week because it's pretty filthy, but you're not really tuning in for that, are you? Got a couple of things to show off. I've been playing with the intercooler routing. Pretty well settled on having the air to water intercooler run there, and then that'll run down into the throttle body there. I've also finished off the exhaust routing for the APU. It tucked it in behind the main turbine exhaust here to keep this area free for my feet. Same on the other side, trying to keep everything tucked in pretty tight around this area of the bike because it still needs to accommodate a rider. I've also got the cannons on. I think that looks pretty sweet. It's not actually exhaust pipe, but near enough. Interesting to see how long the paint on that lasts once it starts burning. You'll see I haven't got the intercooler mounted yet like I wanted to. There's a reason for that. I've changed plans slightly. I'm now going to be running triple intercoolers. So there'll be one on each side that runs up here. They're off a late model Ford Ranger. They look like that. So they'll be hanging off the side here in front of two oil coolers. There's a slightly smaller one here because of the exhaust, and there's a larger one for the other side. The radiator ended up mounting up here on the front with millimeters to spare, as you can see. That's the steering at full lock, and it's pretty tight. The reason I did that is I wanted to keep space down here available. If I need more cooling, I can put a second radiator in there. I'll probably end up using a heater core from a car or something. That's going to be about the right size, I think, and have about the right hose diameter. But we'll see how we go with just that for now. I also managed to get the power steering pump mounted. This is my balustrade turnbuckle that I'm using as a belt tensioner, and that adjusts the height of the pump. Once I get the right size belt on there, that'll work pretty well. But that's about it for this week. Haven't done as much as I wanted to, but I did manage to get myself a new toy. I got my welder set up for TIG, so I've been playing around with that. So far all I can really do is make my MIG welds look better, but it's coming along. Let me know what you think in the comments. I'm really interested to see what people think of how it's coming together. But that's about it for this week. See you next Sunday.